So here we are looking at the famous SNPK. This is the 30-minute chart, and I've had quite a few questions come in. Obviously, yesterday was quite the bloodbath, and bounced up or later on in the day, and then this morning actually gapped up a little bit and made a solid move. So the main question I've been getting is, what happens next? And if I knew that, I'd be a very rich man. But what I can do is kind of hopefully map out here what may be happening here given what we see from the technical chart. So, and I think the best way to illustrate that is from the 30-minute perspective. So, and real quick, what that means is instead of each one of these bars representing a day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one just represents in half an hour, 30 minutes worth of price action. So the first thing I want to point out is this orange line right here, which is the 200 period simple moving average on the 30-minute. And you can see here that, as would be expected, when the price or when this big nasty move did fall, it found support here for basically an hour and a half or so. However, when it did finally fail as support right here, you can see that another nasty fall followed that. So this was a key level of support, and why I bring that up is it's now turned into a key level of resistance, and depending what happens from this chart pattern, there's a chance that this will more than likely get tested, I think. So what chart pattern am I talking about? Well, if we look and draw a line like this, you can see that by connecting these two lines here and then connecting these lows with that one, you can see it did a good job. But really what I'm trying to point out here is that basically since it recovered from these lows down here, it's been all of today in a very tight range. Hopefully, getting kind of coiled up like this pattern shows, coiled up like a spring, and you can see right here the last half hour produced a nice little volume bar. So if the price can push outwards through this symmetrical triangle wedge pattern, coil pattern, whatever you want to call it, the psychology and price move, it's an important part, and it's telling us, like I said, that it was in a very tight range. So if the price can get up through here and break out of this range to the upside, I think it's only a matter of time before at least the $1.30 level is tested, because that is what the 200 period simple moving average is. And if that can, if the bulls can push through that, then I wouldn't be shocked to see it make a move up here to the $1.63. Now, whether or not this all happens in the same day, I don't know about that. But according to the resistances, these are the two closest price targets with a strong break out from this consolidation wedge pattern here, whatever you want to call it. Now, again, on the flip side, if there's a strong break to the downside, then I think it's only a matter of time before these lows down here at 78 cents are retested again. And after seeing this sort of action, possibly even lower. So it'll be very interesting to see what direction the price decides to head out tomorrow. And then obviously that momentum will probably carry on through the weekend into Monday. So right now it's definitely a sit back, wait and see. And we'll see what happens in terms of what direction the price wants to head. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards and penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was SNPK. Thanks for listening.